Yeah, one thing I love is the smell of fresh grass, man. It's so nice back here too. Let me, yo, wait a minute. What's up there?
It's a house.
Okay, let's go get it. Let's see. I'm coming.
Come on in.
Welcome to our new home.
Yay!
Hey.
Another Airbnb review. This time we are staying in Broadacres, which is a different area of Sandton. All right, so we're gonna go into the kitchen of this 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment. Spacious kitchen. More than enough room to do what you need to do and get on out, okay? The only thing that was missing in this kitchen is a place to eat, you know? So we all just stood right here and ate. Okay, we have a microwave, we have a stove, we have an oven, we have a refrigerator. It's the same refrigerator from our last review. Y'all know she loved the food, okay? She loved the food. The freezer is at the bottom and the top is the same. And if you did not, oh no, we still got some stuff up in there. It's okay. It's okay. But this is the refrigerator, all right. And there was a washer, but no dryer in this one. So you know you had to just put the clothes on outside to make them dry. All right. But this host did have the kettle, a toaster. She had plates. She had pots, you know, for cooking. She really accommodated us with a lot of things that we would need for an extended stay, which we appreciated. When we first walked in this apartment, this was the very first thing we saw and the first thing we fell in love with, and that is the living room. It's chill vibes. Okay, look at it. Get into it. The Netflix, the YouTube, the Amazon Prime, the table. The glow, okay, the glow.
Yeah, some orbs.
Or stoves.
No, they're toys.
Okay.
So as you guys have been noticing, she's been trying to tell everybody how big this house is and all the different locations. So she's gonna probably throw in a little bit of hints here and there about what you see. So one of my favorite locations is outside, right? The patio. Again, a place that you get to breathe, you get to have the fresh air come in, you can relax. It's spacious too, so a family of 5 can definitely put some chairs up out here and you can enjoy it. So let's check it out. Ooh, the breeze slaps you when you walk outside. Come on out, come on out, come on out. All right, so as you can see, bro, it's mad spacious. So again, being here in South Africa, you guys, we don't really deal with a lot of AC vents, AC units, or things of that nature. So we always open up these windows, and the way they have the air ventilation coming through here is so perfect. You can literally feel it, like the relaxation. You can obviously see that shade, the sun is shining down on us, and it's just a vibe, right? You got a view, you got the beautiful trees, you got your huge birds that be flying back and forth.
Waking us up.
Huh?
Waking us up.
Waking us up. So what I don't recommend is for people to sit up here. But you know, being an adult, I feel very cautious. But one thing I definitely love about this whole complex is they accommodate you with a swimming pool. All right, so let's go inside and check out the rest of the crib.
So, let's go all the way to bedroom number 1.
Hello. Welcome to bedroom number 1. These are the desks. And then you read, you play, you do activities on your tablet or anything, you know. And then we have the drawers. Empty. The other one empty. But you know, like, you put anything in here, like your tablet, your snacks, your pajamas, and like your clothes and your socks. Yeah. Even the other one.
Here's this fluffy bed. You could just sit down, relax, be on your phone, tablets, anything like that. Next is the closet. So, if you came to Johannesburg, South Africa, and you have like tons and tons of luggage, You could just stuff your luggage somewhere inside, but at least organize it. At least. Next is the drawers. The drawers where you could just put down tons of extra clothes and stuff, and a lock, just in case if someone wants to take your clothes. We got extra blankets that came with the wardrobe closet, and we got a mirror, just to make yourself look good. Next is more space. You could just hang up all your jackets and extra clothes in there, so when you are about to leave, you could just take them all down, or you could just fold them back up and put all your extra big giant luggage in here.
Next is bedroom number
Not you.
2. Okay, it's a little smaller than the first bedroom that you all seen. But again, this was a perfect. OMG, what are you doing? Making snow angels? But it was the perfect amount of space for our family. All right, so we have 2 drawers, little hangers. She had plenty of irons for us, okay? And my favorite part is that she came prepared with an extension cord and a bigger adapter. Okay, get into it. And more closet space. Okay, that's all to it. A good place to stay. And now we're in the bathroom. Okay, it's a little tiny, but it's all right. You get the job done. Okay, we have a shower. Oh my God. Yes, showers in Johannesburg. I don't know about nowhere else, but baby, I love hot water. But this water get boiling hot, like your skin can feel. Child. Well, let me know if you're from South Africa and you take just hot water. I mean, no cold water, no lukewarm, no nothing. Let me know. I need to see your back. Not really. Don't show me no pictures. But just tell me how your back feeling. All right. We have a sink and we have more space underneath. We did not have to buy any toilet paper because, again, this house was very accommodating. And, a toilet. We had a shower and a bath, which we all enjoyed.
Shower and the bath.
Mm-hmm. This community was such a lovely community to be in. It was very private, secured, and quiet. There's a security guard at the gate, so it's very secure, okay, with the electric fence and everything, with a code that you need to go in and out every single day. It changes, all right? But we absolutely enjoyed our stay. It was perfect for our family. And now we're on to the next one. Stay tuned.